Alright, y'all. It's part 3 in this series of kind of, well, I might as well say it's a deep clean, but it's not, well, actually, I shouldn't say that because it's not so much a deep clean as much as it is just a bigger time cleanup. So, we're again here with the Heritage II Legend, and after this, I'm probably going to go live or do another video on the Centria the latest Centria that I have. So anyway, here we go. Yeah, these things have a lot of airflow. That's too big to go through it. Oh wait, it's just a felt. It ought to go through it. If it don't, I'm not doing that again. Go through it very good, so I'm not doing it again. Ew, a roach. Kirby food now. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm glad that didn't go through the fan. That probably would have broke it. Also, I think this is the better fan than the usual Heritage fan, because if we all know, the Heritage and the Legend series, Oh, there's something right there. Oh, that's that felt. Yeah, that didn't even go through it at all. I'm just gonna... I know that was a bit of a crazy move, but let's go ahead and turn it off. And this headlight lens, or the headlight visor, doesn't exactly stay up. I know it's probably loose on the thing. Alright, and the bag is pretty full now. It's not exactly one of the really good ones, but it's one of the yellow bags. Yeah. I think the yellow ones are the micro-lined, while the brown Kirby bags are the traditional bags. I could be wrong on that, but either way. So, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. And I will, of course, keep y'all up to date on other things. And like I said, I'm probably going to go live after this video, but we'll see. We'll see if I have the time. So, yeah. Until next time, bye.